Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in ExxonMobil, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by educating yourself about ExxonMobil and the oil industry. Research the company's history, recent performance, and future outlook. Understand the different types of investments available in ExxonMobil. You can invest directly in stocks or through exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that include ExxonMobil shares. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable brokerage that offers a user-friendly platform suitable for beginners. Once your account is set up, deposit funds to begin investing. Decide how much money you want to invest in ExxonMobil. Create a plan that fits your financial goals and risk tolerance. Use the brokerage platform to search for ExxonMobil using its stock symbol, ExxonMobil. Review the current share price and historical performance charts. Consider reviewing analyst ratings and expert opinions on ExxonMobil. Decide how many shares you want to purchase. Place a market order to buy the shares at the current trading price. Alternatively, you can set a limit order to buy shares at a specific price. After your purchase, monitor your investment regularly. Stay informed about news affecting ExxonMobil and the energy sector. Consider the impact of economic changes in oil prices on your investment. Evaluate your overall investment strategy periodically. Be prepared for market fluctuations and hold your investment for the long term if it aligns with your goals. Review your investment and consider if you should reinvest dividends for potential growth. Seek advice from financial advisors if needed to optimize your investment approach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.